Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Revolve haul for you. I got all of these super cute dresses because I was going on a trip to Miami and I wanted some fun, flirty, Florida style dresses, and I ordered a few, okay? Some of which worked out, some of which didn't. I'm gonna show you them all. But first, if you are new to my channel, I am Erica from Erica's Girly World. My channel is all about fashion, luxury, shopping. So if you like all these things, please subscribe. And for those of you who are returning subs, love you guys so much. You guys are the best. So let's talk a little bit about these dresses. Guys, Revolve right now has a serious sale going on, okay? You can get some pretty amazing deals, some of which is final sale, meaning you cannot return stuff. But I can tell pretty well by now what is going to look good in my body and what is not, so I'm pretty good at that. I'm not 100% foolproof, but like 95% foolproof. So I ordered some super cute items, and some of these are full priced as well. It's not all sale, but I'm just saying, take a look at Revolve's final sale section right now, and you're gonna find some incredible deals on some really great brands. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with this haul. And this dress is from I Am Gia, and I love I Am Gia as a brand. Oh my gosh, look at this. How beautiful. So it's a mini dress and it's like a corset dress. It's really, really tight. Like this part right here is pretty structured, guys. It has like the interior kind of like, I don't know, support sticks. I don't know how to say that, but it totally fits like a corset style. So really kind of like tightens the waist and pushes the boobs up. You know, it's like old school with the fluffy sleeves that make it look so cute. And then the skirt has like the ruffles at the bottom, which I think is really flattering because it kind of hides cellulite. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Have you? So if you have like skirts that are really tight all the way at the bottom, every single little flaw is going to show when the light hits your legs from above, okay? Now, when you have like little ruffles like that at the bottom of the skirt, it's kind of like you have an extra layer of protection to kind of like combat the light that's coming from above that really enhances all of your imperfections. So I love skirts that have like the little ruffles at the bottom like this. And then on the back, it has like the zipper, right? This fits absolutely amazing, okay? I got this for 53 bucks. I technically got this at shopbop.com, not at Revolve, but Revolve had this dress as well, and I am so happy I got this because I used this in Miami to death, okay? Absolutely amazing, super comfortable. The fit is superb. Next one is from a brand that I absolutely love, you guys, and it's called Lovers and Friends. I don't know if you are familiar with this brand, but the dresses are beautiful, such high quality. So I got this dress because I already had in mind wearing it with a pair of white boots that I have, since it's a white dotted style. So check this out. It has the ruffles in the center, and then look how cute at the bottom. And then it has a zipper on the back as well. This is a very light and fluffy fabric, and it has the ruffles just how I like it. Love everything that is V-cut because I do like a little bit of boobage. I mean, am I gonna lie to you guys? No, girls, you need to be showing your best asset. If that's your legs, you show off those legs. If it's your boobs, you get the girls out to breathe. You know, that's how you should be rolling, okay? Age is nothing but a number. I don't know if you guys heard about this before, but you should be dressing for the body you have, not your age. If you are 18 and your legs look like shit, you shouldn't be showing that. Then your boobs look amazing, show off your boobs. If you are 60 years old and your legs look amazing, nothing wrong with wearing a mini skirt. Throw away these ridiculous, outdated misconceptions by very bitter women that like to judge other women that look good. So girl, if you look good, you better show it off. Girls are coming out to breathe right here, all right? Plus my husband loves my girls, so I aim to please. But this is very, very beautiful. If there is one thing I wish was different on this dress, is that the waist is not very tight. My body is very much an hourglass figure, and I'm not saying this to say I'm amazing, okay? I'm saying this because I do have tiny waist and I have huge hips, okay? Which I'm not saying that that's a good thing at all right? And huge boobs, you guys know that already, right? So I like to wear things that are tight on the waist because they make me look smaller. If I wear something that is loose on the waist, because my hips are wide, I look like one just flipping big blob. Do you know what I mean? So I wish the waist on this right here was a little tighter because I think it would have been a little more flattering, but you're gonna see what it looks like. I'm contemplating if I should keep or return, so you guys are gonna have to help me out. Okay, next one is from a brand called Tula Rosa, which is my first time buying Tula Rosa, and I am very, very happy with the results. So this is the dress right here, and this was a final sale because it was really cheap. I think it was like 40 bucks if I'm not mistaken, and the original price was almost 200 because the fabric is actually linen. It's very nice. I hate polyester. I'm sorry, call me bougie. I hate polyester for many reasons. I hate polyester because it's not environmentally friendly. I hate polyester because it's not breathable. You stink as hell when you're wearing it. I hate polyester because sometimes if you wash and when you go iron, the shit burns like it's plastic, like it's a plastic tablecloth, okay? Because it is plastic. So do I own some polyester? Yeah, I mean, I cannot buy just expensive ass Chanel, so I do buy me some Zara, and we know that Zara is 100% polyester on everything, right? So when I find something on sale that is a noble fabric, mama hairs all over it, okay? So it has these cute little sleeves, and then it has kind of like this detail right here on the breast. It is kind of like a little looser cut with the ruffles at the bottom, and it's dark green with the black dots. And I specifically got this dress to wear with my black Louis Vuitton combat boots. Ugh, I have hair in my face. So you guys know it's super hot right now for you to wear a very feminine dress with combat boots. It's the look, and I think Dior kind of like started this trend, and it's as hot as can be right now. So for Miami, I wanted a cute outfit that I could wear all day without being in heels, you know, wearing combat boots. So that's exactly what I did. I actually wore this to go to the outlet mall. It looks so cute with the Louis Vuitton boots. You throw a little choker here. Look at that. I am so happy. This was a final sale one, and I wouldn't have returned it even if it wasn't final sale because it fit its purpose perfectly. Next one I thought was gonna be my favorite of them all, and it is also from Lovers and Friends. So you know I am a big fan of Lovers and Friends as a brand, and this has Miami written all over it. It has kind of like Alessandra Rich vibes. If you don't know Alessandra Rich, she's a very fancy designer that makes these beautiful floral dresses, but her dresses are like $1,600, absolutely insane. So check this out from Lovers and Friends. The beautiful puffy sleeve, gorgeous prints. Look at this, oh my gosh. And then look at the detail here on the breast, you guys. You see this? This is open. So cute little like cleavage detail right here. And then I have to show you the detail of the belt. Hold on, the belt keeps falling. There you go. And it comes with this gorgeous crystal belt, okay? Oh my gosh, so, so beautiful. But here's the deal, it no fit. I don't know what the deal is, like the sizing on this dress was so inconsistent. I have tons of Lovers and Friends dresses and they are all medium. I have always been medium. I just got this one in medium and it's actually a little big even, right? Got this one in medium, it's tight as hell, won't even close on the back. You're gonna see the footage that I'm gonna show you guys. I did this footage for my TikTok without closing the back of the dress because it won't close. Okay, so other than that, the dress is absolutely stunning. Now, one more thing I want to mention, if you do buy the dress, this right here, the belt doesn't stay very well. It kind of, see, it kind of gets like super loose. Maybe if you come back at it one more time, I don't know. You're gonna have to do some snafu over here to keep this belt in place, which was something I didn't like. So I'm returning this. Will I buy it in a bigger size? I don't know. I don't know, because the problem is I ordered this and I was in a rush. I wanted it to arrive before Miami, and now it's like, okay, I'm quarantined. I'm stuck at home for the longest time. Do I need this dress? I spent some money in Miami that I shouldn't have. So, I don't know. As much as I love it, and it was my favorite one, I don't know. I don't know. And then last, but certainly not least, because this was my favorite one. What's new? Also from Lovers and Friends. I know, I am a fan of the brand. What can I say? They're gorgeous. But guys, this denim dress is everything, okay? Check this out. With the belt, mini dress, and this is a stretchy dress. Look at this with the gorgeous puffy sleeves. Oh my gosh, this is so flattering on. You can wear this with something on the inside, or you can just do it kind of like Kim Kardashian style with the cleavage. You're gonna see on my footage, I have the cleavage going on and nothing underneath. So you can do it. It's not like a super indecent cleavage. It's like, it's doable cleavage, okay? So you can just wear it and let your girls out to breathe. Look at this. How stunning. Or you can put a top underneath, you can put turtleneck underneath if it's super cold. I mean, the sky's the limit with this dress. And then I want to get the Gucci stockings, you know, with like the Gucci logo, and I figured that would go perfectly, you know, my cute Gucci stockings here with this dress for a colder day. Guys, I think this was definitely my favorite one of them all. This was not on sale, so I did pay full price for it, but I bought a similar dress in white denim that I got so much wear out of, that I love so much, that I decided I do need another similar style. So this one I got in regular denim color. This one is definitely not gonna be returned because it is the bomb and it's stretchy. So it fits the body so beautifully, guys. So this is it. These were the dresses for my haul. Would love to hear which dress you like the best. Let me know which one was your favorite, and let me know which one you think I should return. I mean, sometimes, you know, when you just need like a friend's opinion, it'd be nice to hear from you guys what you think is your favorite and what you think I should return. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my haul. I will see you on the next video. I love you so much. Bye.